Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to the Ramen Noodle Podcast. I'm your host, of course, Notorious Noel. Today I got a real banger for you guys, but before we get started, if you are new to the Noodle Gang, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Completely obliterate that bad boy. Also, don't forget to turn on post notifications so you can see all the slaps the day they come out weekly. Now, if you are not much into the world of biochemistry and genomic sequencing, you probably have not heard of this week's special guest on the podcast. My guest here today is the chair of the Department of Molecular and Cell Biology at the University of California, Berkeley, Jennifer Duodna. My girl Jenny's biggest accomplishment is not running this prestigious department. It is her innovation in one of the most known gene editing tools known as the CRISPR-Cas9 system. You might be asking yourself, what is this thing called CRISPR or CRISPR or whatever it's called? This is actually an acronym, and it stands for Clustered Regularly Interspaced Short Palindromic Repeats. Yeah, I know, it's a mouthful. But the origin of CRISPR is actually in bacteria, as they use it for their sort of immune system. Bacteria have these sequences of DNA that serve to create proteins that seek out viruses. Once these proteins have found a virus, they cut the virus and attach some of the viral DNA to its own DNA sequence, so that way the next time they meet that virus, they can quickly recognize it and kill it. Miss Jenny over here has found a way to manipulate this DNA sequence in bacteria to match the sequences of human DNA. By doing this, she can remove undesirable DNA sequences and place desirable ones. The applications of this medicine is astounding. Some of the diseases that humans can have, such as sickle cell anemia and Huntington's disease, are caused by genetic mutation. By being able to edit our DNA, this finally gives us an opportunity to cure these so-called incurable diseases. Without further ado, Jennifer Duodna.